Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. If you have been using Pinduoduo to source and ship products from China for a very long time, or you are new to Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app to source and ship products from China, consider to stay tuned to this video and see important things you need to take into consideration, most especially if you are using your bank card to make payment to your supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. This is applicable to everyone that are using Visa or MasterCard to make payment on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So you have to take proper attention to this video in order to know what exactly you are likely to face if you have a refund issue on Pinduoduo if eventually you make payment with bank card, whether Visa card or MasterCard, provided that the card was a foreign master or Visa card. So let's get started. So I'm going to exit from my Pinduoduo right here because someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp and I decided to use this case study to make a video. So everyone that has sourced and shipped product from China using bank card for payment will be aware of this as far as refund issue with bank card payment on Pinduoduo is concerned. So I'm going to exit from here. Then I'll go ahead and open up my WhatsApp right here so everyone can see the message right here. So let's get started. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, Shenyun, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said in the beginning of this video, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here from my YouTube channel about a case study of bank card payment on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Just like what you see right here, good day, I'm Ekwa from Ghana. Please, I need your help. I made payments with my bank card on Pinduoduo about the product and the order was rejected by logistics because there was no other detail on the package. I have requested for a refund, but I have still not received my money. This is where the problem starts right here. And I will tell you why this person was not successfully received their money into their bank card. So they later sent this particular screenshot right here, which proved that the refund here was successful. I'm going to enlarge this page so everyone can see. So here you can see successful. It has been refunded to your Visa bank card that end with this number. The arrival time is subject to Dudu payment. Processing time, you can go to Dudu wallet Shengan to check. Okay, now what this message simply means here is that there is a serious problem here if eventually you make payments with foreign bank card because there is a wrong channel of refund right here. Now I asked a question right here, when did you apply for the refund? And this is the a screenshot of the record of everything right here. Okay, now it said about 2 weeks ago. Now, for every refund that have issue on Pinduoduo, most especially if you make payments with your bank card and you have a refund wrong channel as far as Pinduoduo is concerned, there is possibility that you don't get your money back successful, most especially if your bank card is Visa or MasterCard. Now, let's scroll down right here. So, take a look at this screenshot right here. Now, here, there is 3 stages in every refund process on Pinduoduo. This is stage 1 where you apply. This is where it's under processing, and this is when it's successful at the 3rd stage right here. Now, if you take a look at this 3rd stage right here, it indicates something right here, which simply means that fail to refund. Now, if you have case like this, as far as refund is concerned, most especially if you make payments with bank card, whether Visa or MasterCard, this usually happens with foreign bank card. I'm not saying that some of the cards, if you place order with some country card, you can get the refund successful. But remember, every bank has their system of operation. So there are some bank cards that always fail in this category of refund, which is what happened to this person's right here. Okay, now as a foreigner, it is always advisable that if you want to make payment on Pinduoduo, make sure you always use Alipay. If this refund was Alipay, the refund will be successfully instantly. This is because it is a Chinese payment system, because Chinese are the owners of Alipay and even in WeChat. So it is very much always easy for them to do the refund processing, unlike bank card with foreigners. So this problem here now, it's something that if you find yourself in this category, when your refund is failed, you need to make sure you contact Pinduoduo support, just like what is indicated right here. So you have to make sure you contact them through the customer support if you don't know how to check Dodo payment wallet. So you have to make sure you contact Pinduoduo customer support and report with this particular screenshot right here. That was my recommendation for this particular person and anyone that found themselves in this issue of payment with bank card refund fail. So you need to make sure you contact Pinduoduo support. When you contact Pinduoduo support, then present the error of the payment, like this particular screenshot, present it to them and send it to them. When you are chatting up with them, they will now work on it. Unfortunately for this person, Chinese are currently in holiday now, so which is going to be about 3 weeks before they can attend to something like this. So when these Chinese resume back from holiday, then they will definitely work on it. But in a case of emergency, let's for instance, this person here still want to use this same money to order another product on Pinduoduo or any other platform, as far as sourcing and procurement is concerned, this kind of money is not going to be useful at this moment, because it might take 1 to 2 months or forever before they can get this kind of money back. In a nutshell, if you are trying to source and ship products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, avoid the mission of using your bank card, whether Visa or MasterCard, to make payments on Pinduoduo. You don't want to have the issue of refund problem right here. Nobody can predict a refund, which simply means that it can happen to you at any point in time. You may place order now and the supplier say out of stock. They ask you to ask for a refund, and you run into problem if you use bank card to make payment, because there is 50-50 chance that the refund will not be successful if you use your bank card for payment. So if you want to give yourself a peaceful and rest of mind when you are sourced from China with Pinduoduo, consider to use Alipay or WeChat wallet for payment. So if you have issue of refund, the refund will be successful and you have rest of mind. Then you can use the money instantly to procure from another store, as far as Pinduoduo or any other platform is concerned. So this is what I need to explain to you as far as making payments with bank card on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app is concerned. Avoid the mission of using Visa or MasterCard. It is not designed for every country card, and it is not designed for every banking system card. If you don't want to lose money when you are sourced and ship products from China, always use Alipay or WeChat wallet if you are foreigners when you are trying to buy things from Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.